Day 4, April 16th. Here in Rockingham County with my dad. We split up this morning. Right now I'm just trying to locate birds. I haven't heard anything on the roost. This property's right beside the highway, so it's super loud, can't hear nothing. He's on one side of the farm, I'm on this side. Right now I'm getting ready to cross the road and go to another side just to see if I can hear anything. Lots of fields. Hopefully there'll be some birds in the fields. It's cold this morning, so they might not be talking anyway. I could be walking by them, I don't know. First time hunting here for me. Looking at the maps, trying to learn it and then go. But that's what's going on. Killed one last night. We'll try and do it again this morning. Hopefully one of us can get one. Sun's coming up. Still haven't heard any gobbles, but found some fresh tracks, probably from yesterday. In a big field, right on the edge, got the strutter and the hen out. We'll sit here and just soft call and see if anything wants to come play. Sun's right in my face, it's cold. Maybe one will come do it. So I have moved spots twice in the same field originally. I heard one gobble and had to move. Got closer to him and he never gobbled again. Well, all I could see was about 50 yards. I ended up having 5 jakes and a hen come straight to the decoy. Couldn't move. All I could do was use my cell phone to video that. My dad is directly across of me now, about 200 yards in another field. The jakes and the hens have moved off back behind me. I moved again so I can see the whole field. The bird that gobbled, haven't heard him, but me and Dad have kind of set up so if he goes that way he'll get him cut off, and if he comes this way I'll cut him off. But hopefully some more turkeys will come in this field, just to show you what I'm looking at. My decoys are 8 yards. I'm gonna sit here for probably an hour or 2 hours. Hopefully some birds come back out. Well, I'm texting my dad. I heard him yelp and cluck. And then boom. And he just texted me and said, got him. Awesome. That worked out nicely. Let's go look at him. It's a good spot up here. There's a lot of turkeys up here. I'm glad to see them 5 jakes though. Plus I saw that one jake. One of them wasn't limping, was it? I guess I must have hit him low. Has he got any shots in his head? Yeah, no. There's one right there. I probably barely got him.
No, there's a shot right there.
Day 4, 8:30. Walked to the car. Dad killed one this morning. Say something, Dad.
Good morning.
Horn blows. We were about 200 yards apart from each other. Had 5 jakes come in. He had this one come in to him. Smacked him in his beak. Didn't you?
Yep. Got
Yeah.
lucky. He didn't want to gobble very much, but he come straight in, saw the decoys, and I couldn't resist. So I let him have it.
Now we're gonna put him in the truck. Let's see if we can find another one. Still early. Hopefully we can get another one double up. Be cool. Day 4 is complete. It's about 12 o'clock. We are calling it quits. Dad's already at the truck. Left my call. Had to come back and pick it up. Ended up hearing one bird gobble. He gobbled 3 times, but he never committed. Probably the same thing, had a hen. But overall, had some good encounters this morning. Dad killed him a bird. Day 4 is done. Time to go home to do some work, get some stuff done. I haven't really been doing nothing but hunting. So, still on vacation for another 2 days of work. I still basically have a whole week to hunt to fill my second tag. Still got other people I want to hunt with. So that's the plan. I'm gonna go home, get some stuff done. See y'all on day 5.